how to add PBR textures in Blender. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do in this part is to go on the top of the screen and then click the shading right here. And then once you are now on the shading, the next thing that we need to do is to create a material right here. And then once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to select the principal BSDF right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to click Control, Shift, and T. And then this window should pop up right here. Now, if it doesn't work on your end, all you have to do is to just go on the Edit right here, and then go to Preferences. And then on the add-ons, just search for Node Wrangler, and then make sure that you enable that. And then going back again, just press Control Shift T, and then just look for the texture that you want to add. So this will be the texture that I will be adding into Blender. And then after that, just click Principal Texture right here. And then it will now be automatically added into Blender. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. And that's pretty much it. That is how you add PBR textures in Blender.